Hello, everybody out there in TikTok land, Instagram land, YouTube, Facebook, social media land. We are Austin and Thelma McLaughlin from McLaughlin Hotworks LLC. We have some amazing news to share. Very exciting news. Thelma, you want to take it away?
Sure. We are actually, we received our design patent for our product. So we are full design patent for our product of our Armadillo weld cuff.
That is correct. We're in the USPTO office, and we own the design patent for 15 years. So, very, very exciting news. Been waiting on this for a little bit now, and it's completed, and we're excited about it. We wanted to share this excitement with y'all. Hope you're having a blessed weekend. Love y'all, and come give us a chat.
Come check out our website.
Check out our website.
Check out our products.
Check our products out. Yes,
we're making our FR and our duck cotton material Armadillo weld cuffs. They come in the FR comes in orange and blue. The non-FR, as in the duck cotton, comes in black,
hot pink,
purple.
We're looking at red.
We're looking at some other colors. We'd love your feedback and what colors might be helpful. And then we also offer the Armadillo itself in various colors. That's gold, silver, black, white, pink, hot pink, blue, red, and our traditional yellow, as you may see.
Yep. All right, y'all.
Thank you all for your support. Have a great day.
Stay blessed.